Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling this, I will start with this plate. Then I will model this feature. After modeling this, I will model the cylinder. Then I will connect with the rib. We have 3 ribs, this one and this one. After completing material addition feature, we will go for a material removal feature of these 2 holes and these 2 holes. Now, after modeling this component, the model will look like this in Creo Parametric. This is a model. Now, the same model we can learn step by step in Creo Parametric. First go to the file, close, new, part solid, untick this use default template, provide a name, save OK. Our units are in mm, so choose mm part solid absolute, save OK. I'm just switching on all the plane. Now, I'm starting with the right plane. For easy explanation, I will open the figure and keep the software right side. Now, I'm just taking the right plane, sketch. Here you can see this plate. I'm going to model it. Take the center axis. Now take the corner rectangle. Make it symmetric. The height of the rectangle is 75 and width is 125. 75. Go to fit screen. We can drag these dimensions. Now we have done the sketch. Save OK. Go to extrude. Make it symmetric. Here they have provided the thickness is 12. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this plate. Then we'll create this feature. Select this surface. You can hide the plane. Select the surface. Sketch view. Now we'll start with the circle. The circle has a diameter of 40 and the center point is located from the center point to is 130. So we just want to switch on the plane. This plane we need to take a reference. Then close it. Now take dimension from this point to this point. It is 130 and this diameter is 40. Then we just want to connect the line to the ends. Take the line from here to this point. Similarly, from this point to tangent point. Similarly, we just make here also be tangent. Make this into be tangent. Delete this horizontal. Then close the sketch. Now delete the unwanted segments using delete segments. Now we have finished the sketch. Save OK. Go to extrude. Change the direction. Inside we just want to extrude it up to the length of 10 mm. Here you can see the 10 mm we need to extrude. Just save OK. Then here you can see total cylinder length is 16. So take this side surface, sketch view, take a reference of this circle, then close, take a circle, draw a circle, just save OK, extrude, change the direction, this thickness is 16, remove material, switch off it, just save OK. Now we have created this cylinder also. Then we'll create this cylinder. This cylinder is located to the mid plane. Select this one. Select this plane actually. Sketch view. Now take a circle. Draw here. The circle diameter is 62 and the circle height is from this edge to this is 75. From here to here it is 75. Just say OK. Extrude. Make it symmetric. The total extrusion length also be 62. Say OK. Then we'll create this support plate. Take this plane, sketch view. Take the reference of this edge and these two edges. Close. Take a line here and somewhere here. It has to be mirrored in this side. Select this mirror options. Select this plane. Now take a line again. Just connect it here. To avoid the improper connection here, you just connect it to somewhere up to this. Now this distance has to be specified. Dimension. This distance is 95. Remaining are OK. Just say OK. Extrude. Symmetric. Thickness is 12. Say OK. Then we'll create these two ribs. Select this mid plane. Sketch view. Make these two as a reference. Then close it. Take a line. Here it has to be connected here and make it tangent to the circle. Close the sketch. Here little more we have to improve. Then put a arc. Take arc with the center ends. This point from here to zoom it and connect it to here. So the pink color indicates that the sketch is closed. Then say OK. Extrude. Make it symmetric. The thickness is 12. Say OK. Similarly, we just want to make a rib here. Here we cannot use the rib options. It will not work. So that's why I used the extrude option. Here we can use the rib option. Select this midplane. Sketch view. Make it symmetric. Then close it. Take a line. Here we just want to connect a line to a total length is 75. We should connect this line to 35 from the top. So somewhere we just connect it here. Make it tangent to this line. Take a dimension from this line to this point. It is 35. Just say OK. Go to rib, profile rib. The thickness is 12. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this rib. Then we'll go for holes. Switch on the axis. Switch off the plane. Just go to the hole. Place it on this surface. Press the Ctrl and hold. Select this axis. Now the diameter of the hole is 40. And extrude up to 2 next. Say OK. Similarly, put the hole here. Place it on the surface. Press the Ctrl and hold. Select this axis. The diameter of the hole is 28. And make it to next. Say OK. Then we just want to make 2 holes here. Select the surface. Sketch view. Take the circle. Just somewhere we draw it here. The height is 35 from the top. Dimension from here to the center height is 35. And the diameter is, here you can see the 20. And they are given center distance of 62. So just select this circle and come out from the dimension. Select the circle, mirror, center plane. Now go to the dimension. From this point to this point, the distance is 62. Just say OK. Now just go to the extrude, change the direction, make it to next, material removal, say OK. Then finally we just want to create a round with a radius of 20. Just go to the round feature, select this edge, press the Ctrl and hold, select this edge. Radius is 20, just say OK. Now we have finished all the features. You can rotate and check. Yes, we have finished all the features. Now you can switch off all the axes and planes. Make it full screen. Now to change the appearance of this model, go to the view, appearance, provide any color, apply to the model, save, select the greens. Now to appear for the second appearance, select the surface and press the Ctrl and select multiple surfaces. Ctrl and hold, select the multiple surfaces. Save OK. In this way we can apply the colors. This is our final object. In this tutorial, we will learn how to model this component using Creo Parametric. If you like this video, please share to our friends. In the next tutorial, we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.